entity.
This was long expected and comes amid a shift in audience viewing habits.
At 12:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for Eastern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Ottawa South, Richmond, and Metcalfe. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
Nothing but reality TV, but maybe not Canadians.
Some